Newborn sneezing can puzzle many parents, especially when it seems excessive without apparent cause. Contrary to common belief, newborn sneezing is not usually a sign of illness, but rather an essential reflex to clear nasal passages of fluff, dust, and mucus. An unanticipated solution for alleviating your baby's sneezing naturally is to maintain a humidified environment, which prevents the nasal membranes from drying out. Also, using saline drops can help in loosening any stubborn mucus, clearing your baby's tiny nose effectively. Exploring the air quality in your home and ensuring it's free from irritants like smoke or perfumes can also significantly reduce sneezing bouts. This awareness not only eases parents' concerns but empowers them with practical steps to support their newborn's well-being.